If this video offers any value to improve your garden, then subscribe to our channel. We're all about making gardening easier, smarter, and more rewarding. Tired of battling bugs and watching your plants suffer? Today, I'm sharing simple, powerful, and completely natural ways to pest-proof your garden without spending a fortune or harming your plants. These methods are practical, budget-friendly, and safe for pets, kids, and the environment. And if you stick around till the end, I've got a secret gardener's trick that could save your entire garden overnight. One of the easiest ways to naturally control pests is by using companion planting. Certain plants protect others just by growing nearby. For example, marigolds repel nematodes and aphids. Basil keeps mosquitoes and flies away from peppers. And garlic and chives can protect your roses from Japanese beetles. It's like creating a living shield around your plants, and all you need to do is arrange your planting smartly. No fancy sprays or products required. Another fantastic natural remedy is neem oil spray. Neem oil has been used for centuries to fight off pests. You just need to mix 1 teaspoon of neem oil with a few drops of mild dish soap in a liter of water, shake it well, and spray it on your plants once a week. It's highly effective against aphids, mites, and whiteflies, but won't harm bees or beneficial insects if you spray early in the morning or late in the evening when pollinators are resting. Plus, a small bottle of neem oil can last you for months, making it super cost-effective. If you want something you can whip up straight from your kitchen, try a garlic chili spray. Blend 2 cloves of garlic and 1 chili pepper with a liter of water. Add a drop of soap and let it sit overnight. Strain it the next day and spray it on your plants. It's a strong, natural repellent that keeps away most soft-bodied pests like aphids and caterpillars. Best part? It costs almost nothing to make and doesn't introduce any chemicals into your garden. Another overlooked but powerful strategy is mulching. Using mulch like cedar or straw around the base of your plants can repel pests and even block some soil-borne insects from reaching your plants. Cedar naturally deters ants and moths with its scent, and straw mulch provides a protective barrier. It also keeps your soil moist, so you save water too. Mulch is cheap, easy to find at garden centers, and even better if you can source it locally from a farm. Attracting beneficial insects is a game changer too. Instead of fighting pests alone, let nature help you. Plants like dill, fennel, and yarrow attract good bugs like ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies, which feed on common garden pests. You can even build a simple bug hotel from scrap wood and straw to give these helpful insects a cozy home in your garden. Seeds are inexpensive, and building bug houses can be a fun DIY project that massively boosts your garden's resilience. Now, here's the secret gardener's weapon I promised. The DIY beer trap for slugs and snails. Slugs are one of the most destructive pests, especially for leafy greens. To make the trap, simply bury a shallow container at soil level and fill it with cheap or even stale beer. The smell attracts slugs and snails, and once they fall in, they can't escape. It's an unbelievably simple method that's safe for pets, kids, and plants, and it works overnight. You'll be shocked at how many pests you catch with just a little bit of leftover beer. When you work with nature instead of against it, gardening becomes so much easier and more rewarding. Try these solutions out, and you'll notice your garden not just surviving, but thriving, with way less effort, no chemicals, and a lot more peace of mind.